Hi, here is another instruction video from Hardy. In this segment, we'll show you our DynamicFluid4 system in action. The traditional systems, they work on a feedback system, meaning that you have to be off target with your application rate before the regulation valve adjusts. With this system, the DynamicFluid4, we work on a feed-forward system, which uses inputs from 4 sensors. The first one is the flow sensor, the traditional flow sensor. The second one is a pressure sensor. It's tucked in behind here. The third is a sensor detecting the revolutions of the pump. And the fourth is a sensor detecting the position of the regulation valve opening. What I'm holding here is actually the heart of the regulation valve. It's 2 ceramic discs, so we have almost no wear and a very long life. It's got a very short reaction. It's only 90 degrees to react from fully open to fully closed. And the system is leak-proof, meaning that there is no wastage of pump capacity, so we have the full capacity of the pump being used to spray and to keep the agitation going. The system also is monitoring the active boom width and the driving speed. The tractor I'll be using has a constant velocity transmission, and I'm using this because it really tests a traditional regulation system on a sprayer. I'll spray at 8 miles per hour, and I'll use a Hardy 025 Lilac ISO nozzle to apply 10 gallons per acre. Alright, now I'll turn off half the boom, keep an eye on the application rate and see how many seconds it takes to get back to normal. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, about 3 seconds. Okay, now I'll switch all but one section off. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Again, about 3 seconds. We're putting out 0.5 gallons per minute. The system has gone from flow sensing to pressure sensing, and that's why it can react so quickly. Okay, now I'll turn all the sections on again. Are you ready to start counting? 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. That's pretty darn quick. Okay, now I'll change engine RPM without changing the speed. Ready to count? Let's go. That was pretty good. That was again about 3 seconds. Okay, let's try this from standstill. Ready to start counting? Here we go. About 4.5 seconds. For the last test, I'd like to provoke the system by starting from standstill. I'll turn all the sections off but one. I'll change the RPM. And then, now are you ready to count? 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. It's about 4 seconds. Try that with your sprayer at home. All of this I've done without using the auto section control. If your sprayer has auto section control, then it's even more important that the reaction times are quick. I'm really impressed with the DynamicFluid4, and I'm sure you will be too. For more Hardy instruction videos, check out our YouTube channel.